So there is something about tests. The daily test I talked about, but there is a biggest test we're going to get, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us. And that's called the test of Dajjal. Do you know who is he? He's a human being that's going to come at the end of the day, at the end of the time, but he is going to claim he is prophet. And very few will know that he is not. And he's going to bring miracles that's no way he is not. But only those people of real iman and taqwa will read it on his forehead that he's a liar. Otherwise, many will believe him and follow him. And that's one of the biggest tests we will get at the end. Because after all what you did in your life, and you obeyed Allah, alhamdulillah, but then we fail in this test. And that's why one of the du'as we are supposed to do before we say salam in our salah on daily basis, minimum 5 times, is we seek refuge from the test of the Dajjal and from the punishment of the grave.